If you are a Windows user, you need to do this. Be sure to do this before anything goes wrong with your Windows computer. Click the search icon and type restore. Then click this, and a new window will open. Then click create. Be sure to put a description to help you identify your restore point in the future. Now click create. Done. Your computer is now safe. Next, how to use the restore point. If you have a bad Windows update or system corruption, then do this. Right-click the Windows icon and click Settings. Scroll down and look for Recovery. In the Advanced Startup, hit Restart Now. Here, click Troubleshoot, click Advanced Options, and click System Restore. A new window will pop up. Just click Next, click the Restore point, click Next, then click Finish. Another message will pop up. Just click Yes, then wait for the process to finish. Now click Restart. System Restore completed. Hit the subscribe or follow button for more Windows tips and tricks. Thanks.